Okay, how about we get started on Unit 4, video number 4. Okay, your first vocab word would be exterior angle theorem. Okay, and the theorem says the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior far angles. What that means is, see this angle out here? This is called your exterior angle. It's on the outside of the triangle. Okay, so it's exterior. These would be interior. Okay, well, angle 3 right here, our exterior angle, actually is the sum of angle 1 and angle 2. So if you add angle 1 and angle 2 together, you get angle 3, this exterior angle. So that's pretty cool. Now we're going to be using that theorem to help us find missing angles. Okay, problem 1. Make sure you put your title, exterior angle theorem, and we have to find angle 1 and angle 2. So angle 1 and angle 2. Now, I know you can probably just use the fact that all three of these angles have to add to 180, so you can get angle 1, and then you see this linear pair, that'll help you get angle 2. But let's use the exterior angle theorem instead. So the exterior angle theorem tells us that angle 2 is equal to angle S plus angle A. Okay, so angle S plus angle A. So let's just plug in what we have. So angle 2 will equal angle S is 42 and angle A is 30. So angle 2 would be 72. So let me put a spot for my answers. Angle 1, angle 2. So we know that angle 2 is 72 degrees. Well, angle 1 and angle 2 have to equal 180. So let me write 72 degrees here. And then we know that this equals 180. So to get angle 1 is going to be 180 minus 72, which equals 108 degrees. So we have angle 1, 108 degrees. Okay, problem 2. This time we have to find angle B. So angle B is down here. Okay. Well, we can't find it. We don't have enough information. So we have to use the exterior angle theorem. So we know that angle E is equal to the sum of angle R and angle B. So what I can do is set up an equation and solve for x. Then I can take x and plug it back in, and I'll be able to get angle B. So let me put a spot for my answer so I can remember what I'm looking for. I'm looking for angle B. Okay, so we know that 132 is equal to the interior angles, the far ones. So 93 plus 9x plus 3. So that's the equation I have to solve so I can get x, and then I can plug it back in. So 132 is equal to 9x plus 96. Okay, let's subtract 96 on both sides. Okay, we're going to have to borrow. So we get 36. And then divide both sides by 9. And we get that x equals 4. But is angle B going to be 4 degrees? No. Angle B, we're going to come up here, we have to plug in 4. So angle B would be 9 times 4 plus 3. So that would be 36 plus 3, which is 39. So angle B would be 39 degrees. Great. Okay, problem 3. Looks a little more complicated. We have a lot of variables and numbers to work with, but it's okay. We still know that these two angles add up to equal this angle. So we have to find x. So let me put a spot for my answer. Okay. Now we're just going to set up an equation with this angle plus this angle equaling this angle. So we know that 9x plus 16 plus 6x plus 15, those two angles have to equal the exterior angle, 19x plus 3. Okay, so now we combine like terms. That gives us 15x plus 31, and that equals 19x plus 3. Okay, let's get our x's to one side, so I'll subtract 19x. That gives me negative 4x plus 31 equals 3. Subtract 31, and we get negative 4x equals negative 28. Divide both sides by negative 4, and we get 7. So all we had to do was solve for x, so we did that. We got that x equals 7. Okay, that was what you need to know about the exterior angle theorem. I hope you have a fantastic day.